Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing this 4.5 quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven by Cookwin. So my first impression after taking it out of the box was, wow, extremely durable. I happen to love cast iron. I have it sitting on my stove right now because I cook with cast iron for most of our meals. I love how it's a wonderful conductor for heat and it distributes heat evenly. So we use it a lot around here and we needed a Dutch oven. So I'm really excited to have this. One of the reasons we use cast iron so much around my house is that it can be used on a variety of surfaces. So we have a flat top stove over here I'm going to demonstrate on, but we also have a wood burning stove downstairs in our basement that has a cooktop, and I can just set this right on top of it and prepare meals. We did this one time whenever the electricity went out. So it's just really cool. It's versatility. I can use it on just about any kind of cooktop. This gorgeous porcelain enamel makes it so easy to clean and it's coated so nicely. And of course you get to have this really pretty color as well. The directions call for washing your pan in mild soap and water before getting started in using it. And after washing, now you can wipe it off to dry it completely with a soft towel. So for the demonstration, I'm making chicken gumbo right now, and there's enough here to feed my whole family and then some, because this 4.5 quart pan is more than enough room. So you're gonna have all kinds of room and to make a nice big hearty meal for your family. And of course, I love the fact that it comes with a lid because this needs to simmer covered for a while. And I have this wonderful lid that I'm gonna be able to put on there. The lid also is great for trapping in all the juices and helping that to taste even better. Don't forget that enameled cast iron makes it to where it will not absorb food odors or flavors. So you're gonna get a really great tasting batch of food. And for my next meal that I cook in this, I'm definitely gonna be putting it in my oven because it can totally go in the oven as well. Just use your pot holders to remove it.